Good day everyone, and welcome to Technic Force. Today, we will be discussing about how to run a poll for your Facebook pages and profiles. But before that, let me simply explain to you what is a poll. A poll is also termed as a survey asking for the opinions of other people about a specific topic you ask. And it is a process of voting by asking a question and giving them a list of options to choose from or to vote to. Now, I will teach you how to run a poll for your Facebook page. First, log into your Facebook account. Put in your email address. Then type in your password and click Login. In your home page, click the drop-down arrow on the upper right corner of the screen and click a page you handle under the Your Page category, and it will lead you to your Facebook page. Now this is your Facebook page. To make a poll, click your status bar and select Poll on the choices. Here's the status bar, then click Poll. As you can see, you can now type in what you want to ask and you can provide two options for it. Type in what you want to ask. For example, I will type, and then edit option 1 with your first answer option. For this question, I will put the answer for option 1 like this, and option 2 with your second answer option like this. You can also add image or a GIF in each option that is related to what you type in. So for option 1, I will choose a picture like this. And for option 2, I will add another image. And it will look something like this. Once done with the question and options, select a duration of how long you will run the poll here with the clock icon showing under the option 1 with the image. For this poll, I will choose 1 day only. Then click Publish. Now the poll will look like this. The same process goes when running a poll through your personal profile and Facebook groups as well. That's how easy you can run a poll, and by running a poll, you can easily increase engagement on Facebook, allow your followers option to be heard and known, draw attention to your Facebook page, and build relationship with your followers. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can like us on Facebook at Technic Force for more information and details about the products we offer. Thank you!